I know that 80% of entrepreneurs watching this video right now have cash flow issues in their business. So how do you know if you have cash flow issues? If the bills due at the end of the month exceeds the cash available in your checking account, you have cash flow issues. And accounts receivable is not money in the bank. If this is you, don't be surprised. Up to 60% of small businesses don't make any profit at all, which is a major contributor to cash flow issues and the top reason businesses fail. In this video, you'll learn how to solve your cash flow issues. It's a simple concept that's overlooked by so many business owners. Bottom line is, cash flow is directly correlated to the profit from your sales. If you're winning sales on lowest price, your sales process is most likely contributing to your cash flow issues. A typical sales process looks something like this. A calendar full of mostly unqualified leads burning up valuable time, so when they do get a good lead, they miss out. They arrive at the house, they meet the prospect, they walk in, they introduce themselves, and they start to talk about themselves, how many years they've been in business. They're licensed, they're bonded, they're insured. All the client hears is, that's what the last guy said, and the guy before that, and the guy before that. There's no difference. The contractor then takes a few notes, takes a few pictures, thanks the prospect for their time, and leaves. This whole process takes about 20 minutes. And then they repeat the same steps over and over and over again, day after day after day. After the last sales call, they know the day is far from over. They go back to the office and start putting estimates together, sifting through their pad of notes, finding pictures on their phone and trying to coordinate which picture goes with which job. They start emailing one estimate per job, hoping for a positive response, and knowing tomorrow it starts all over again. Is this how you envisioned your business? Isn't this the definition of insanity? Doing the same exact thing over and over and hoping for a different result? But next month will be better. How many times have you heard that or thought that? Think about it. A typical job is $2,000 to $8,000. The average closing ratio is less than 20%. And the cost to run an estimate, around $300 to $600. So if you ran 10 sales presentations, the cost on the low end is $18,400, which were sales for you to lose. Just imagine, you're in front of a prospect. You have all the tools to present an estimate and complete a one-call close. No more late nights at the office or confusing email conversations. Your closing ratios are going to go up exponentially, simply because you're presenting options when your prospect is most excited about your solutions. Just a 20% increase in your closing ratio, using the previous example, is $4,600 in sales. If we times that by 50 weeks per year, that's an additional $230,000. Now let me show you how easy this really is.
To get started, we simply click on Add New Client, enter in the client's information, and click Save. Or we simply click View Edit next to the client we'd like to prepare an estimate for, and click Create Estimate. Here you will see the client details that we've already entered in. If we need to make a change, we can make a change here. And we click Next Page. Here we enter in the details for each package we're putting together. And then we click Next Page. Here we select the materials and the labor for each package. And it's as simple as this. Click Select Material, choose Material from the list, select Materials, and if the same materials are needed in the next package, we simply push Copy to Gold. Or we go in and click Select Material for that package and add our materials in. After we've done our materials, scroll down, select our labor for each package, and click Select Labor. If the same amount of hours are needed for both packages, copy to Gold and copy to Basic. And here we can see all of the hours have been copied to each package. Simply click Next Page Here, we will add any subcontractors we need to complete the job, and if we need permits for the job as well. Simply push select subcontractor, enter in the subcontractor's information. Once we've entered in our subcontractor, simply push select subcontractor. Again, if we need this on all three packages, push copy to gold and copy to basic. After we've clicked the copy to button, if we need to edit, we simply push select subcontractor, and here we can change the price or anything else we need to edit. Permits, we can put in any permits we may need and simply push select permits. Click next page. Here, today's date automatically populates under sales date. We can select an install date. If you're in Washington State, it will automatically recommend sales tax amount based off of the address given in the client details, but we still need to enter that into the sales tax box. Here we can add any special notes and instructions and click next page. Here we have three options to present to our prospective client. If the client would like to view a proposal, we simply click View Proposal. Here we can look at the proposal and answer any questions that they have about it. Now the client is ready to invest with you, we simply click Generate Proposal. You can either click Approve on the top of the proposal or simply scroll down to the bottom and using your mouse or a finger, sign the proposal and click Sign and Approve, and your job is sold. Once it's sold, we click Email PDF and we can email a copy straight to the client. Our top package comes with a financial training module, a leadership training module, a vision training module, labor burden software, budget software, loan calculator, reporting for your sales, and a CRM.
Own it today. Go to bidfire.net.